Hey guys, welcome to my Java tutorial. This is Vasant V, and in this tutorial I'll be introducing you to Java. So I have particularly designed my tutorial in such a way that it's practical and not theoretical. So you cannot expect me to give all the theoretical explanations. I would make sure that you get the best coding knowledge available. So now let's get down to the business. This is going to be a theoretical one because I need to tell some of the things regarding Java when we are starting it. So first thing is, when you are starting Java, that code might be seem like it's so difficult. Oh my god, what am I going to do? You might feel like that, but it's not that much complicated. Once you get used to Java, it will be like, oh, this is Java, right? Cool. You'll be like that. So don't worry, it's going to be complicated in the beginning, but it will be alright. So Java is a programming language created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystems in 1991. Sun Microsystems was bought by Oracle, so now Java is under Oracle. Java is a very simple programming language. It can run on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac. Java is also a very popular programming language. Its so much popularity is due to this. Java programming is claimed as simple, portable, secure, high-performance, multi-threaded, interpreted, platform-independent, dynamic, architecture-neutral, object-oriented, and robust. As I said, I'm not going to be giving you a lot of theoretical stuffs. So if you want to know about all these things, you can Google it or search in somewhere else. I'm going to give you a rough overview of the theoretical content. And also keep in point that Java is an object-oriented programming language, but it's not purely an object-oriented programming language. Java has some of its properties, so we call it object-oriented. And we used to do mobile applications, especially Android, web applications, desktop applications, web servers, and application servers, games, database connections, and much more. Java can be used in connecting the database to the front end. That's what database connection means. So now that's all about the Java, and now we are in a very important stage where you need to give attention. So throughout our tutorial, we have to have this. We are going to work with these. So this is Java SE15 JDK download. So you have to download this thing. This is an Java files which you need to run your program on. So I will put the link in the description. Make sure you download this. And coming to this, I'm sorry. And coming to this Eclipse IDE, you should download that. You might ask me like I can do it in my command prompt. Then why do I need to download an IDE? That is because while working in your command prompt using these Java files, you might run your application. You might run your program. But when your program gets complicated and large, your command prompt cannot run that. You need your IDE to run that. For that, you need to download this Eclipse IDE. You can also prefer some other IDEs out there. You can also work on online, but I'm going to use this IDE in my tutorial, so I'm suggesting you that. That's it about the introduction of Java. And if you need to know much more about Java in theoretical background, you can go take a textbook and do that, or you can also see the documentation. As I've said in the beginning, I'm making this a beginner friendly coder tutorial. So I'll be more concentrating on the coding part, which is going to be coming in the later videos, and I'm not going to be concentrating in the theoretical part. So I have given the description for both these, Java and Eclipse. Make sure you download that, and let me see you in the next video.